Whoa, man, that's so cool, man. Hola, soy Lora Arellano, coming to you from Pacoima. I'm gonna show you how to do this smoky olive look. I got my nails back on, I got my hair on, and I'm ready to go. It's a new year, you know, it's 2020. We gotta give you some 420 again, because you know you bitches love that 420. So the inside of the palette is nice and yummy. You got the warm tones over here. You have a nice neutral nude. And then you have, obviously, because where are the greens? Hello, it's 420. They're right here. So we added a little bit of green for you too, okay? So we got you covered. We got you covered in the warms. We got you covered in the greens. I know you're gonna love that. We love it too. I'm gonna start with Hash, which is this little guy right here. Okay, I'm gonna add it to warm up my lid. Boom. Now get a smaller brush and add that underneath. Okay, next shadow I'm going to add. Chronic, fuck it. I'm gonna go dark. Okay, now I'm gonna add Faded. I'm gonna blend that crease out, that edge out. Now I'm gonna take 420 Reflect Eyeliner. I don't think it's approved for your waterline, don't do it, but I like to do it because I don't care if I go blind, it's okay. All right, now I'm gonna pat on Chronic again. They're kind of like muted greens. Cause you know, we had to include some greens in there because bitches be like, there's no greens in there. How is that a weed palette? There's no greens. Now I'm gonna go in with Faded again and blend that down. Chip check. I'm just gonna smoke it up a little more. I'm gonna bring in Faded right up into my inner brow crease situation. I'm gonna bring up that Smokey. That Smokey. Marvelous, darling. Yeah, I like that better. All right, next I'm going to add, let's just add a little bit of Shotgun. Why not? Let's play with it, girl. Let's just get nasty. Just gonna add it in the inner corner. Just pop it. I'm gonna add Spliff on top as a liner. It's a brand new gel liner. It's a beautiful, rich, neutral brown. Now add on your favorite mascara. Pop on your favorite pair of lash. Now I'm gonna take Honey Thief blush. I'm gonna add that on the apples of my cheek. Now I'm gonna take Gold Ore, the Cara brush. Just gonna pop it on my nose, on my cheekbones. And then let's add some 710 lipstick on swap because I need to refresh this. And I think that's it. She's the look. That's it, right here. Smoky, slutty, skanky. Ready for the nightclub? Ready for the DMV?